am Riya Gupta and I welcome you to our channel News Moment English. Today we have Dr. Pampa Mukherjee and I would request her to share her views on effect of COVID-19 lockdown on children staying at home. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Namaste. I am Dr. Pampa Mukherjee, residing at Asansol, practicing pediatrics. During this lockdown period, this is a new type of experience for all of us, for children, adults, for everyone. And no one was prepared about it. But still, we have to encourage our children. We have to give some extra time to our children so that they don't get bored, stressed. We must not discuss the dangerous things like this much of people has died of COVID, this much of people are affected. We should not discuss with them. We should make one healthy routine for them. The whole family should wake from bed at a fixed time, then practice some physical exercise, then some kind of prayer, then breakfast. Then parents must help the children for their studies, and then they will be given some entertainment through indoor games, some entertaining movies, or some entertaining games like Carom, Ludo, etc. They should be encouraged with that, and they should also be informed about the disease in a different manner. Don't make them afraid of the disease. Just tell them that there is a virus which is very naughty. They may attack you if you don't wash your hands properly. If you touch your face, you put your finger in mouth. If you touch your eyes, it may enter inside you. So that's why you have to maintain the proper hand hygiene and don't touch your face. And teach them how to wash their hand for 20 minutes. Just sing a song while they are washing their hands, and for proper washing, give them some prize. Just appreciate them for their small works. And don't. We adults are a bit frustrated this time, as we are not going out. We are pressurized due to this disease burden. But we should not express our stress through children. We should be kind to them. We should speak them politely. We should help them we should encourage them to their extracurricular activities beside studying, just painting, dancing, singing. We should encourage them.
Now ma'am, may I ask you some questions regarding this? My first question is, due to COVID-19 and lockdown, children are forced to stay at home. It has created many problems. Their behavior are unexpected. How their behavior can be dealt with?
Actually, if we talk about children, we should separate them in 3-4 groups: infants, toddlers, school-going, and adolescents. Usually toddlers and infants usually stay at home. It's not a new problem to them. They should be give the normal attention which they get usually. But school-going children, they are a bit frustrated. They are missing their school, they are missing their friends. That's why sometimes they are throwing tantrums. They are doing some, they are showing some untoward behavior. And adolescents, most problem is with adolescent girls and boys. They love outdoor activities very much. They are missing their friends. They are missing their outdoor activities like swimming, dancing, singing class, judo class, karate class, all these sorts of things. These may lead some problem to them. They may be depressed. They may be aggressive. They may get addicted to some bad habits. That's why we parents must be very much sympathetic to them and just give some extra time and extra care to them. Don't scold them, don't order them always, but just try to understand their situation. They are locked up, so that's why you should give some extra love, extra care to them. In their studies, help them. When they are doing some online class, sit beside them and giving some encouragement to them. Encourage them to develop their extracurricular activities like drawing, singing, dancing. Encourage them for physical activities. Avoid, tell them not to take junk food. Tell them about healthy habits. And this is, I think, this lockdown period is a very good opportunity to make a family bonding. Sometimes both the parents are working, children go to school, they don't, father and mother, parents don't get much time for interaction. I think this lockdown period is a very good time for family to make a family bonding. Don't, and when you give some screen to them, just sit beside them. Sometimes arrange some Google Meet or some so that the child can, adolescent can speak with some friends, family members. Just don't get them bored. Just encourage them always.
My second question is, some parents have handed them mobiles. They are using net. Do you think they will be addicted with it? Since or other way to overcome these addictions?
Exactly. If you give them mobile and TV and to surf the net unattendedly without the guidance of the parents, then they may be exposed to some sites which are not should be seen by them, like some violent situation. They may see some violence, some sexual abuse, sort of things they can see. That should not be allowed. When they will look up, go through the net, or they are watching the TV, parents should be beside them, and the screen time should be restricted. This is not good that they will be handed one mobile and they will play with that throughout the day. That is not desired. And actually, net, everything has some good aspect and bad aspect. Through net, you can educate child in a very good manner. If parents will guide them. If we guide them, then they will be able to pick up the good things. And if we just hand over them the mobile and we sit idle and we are seeing another mobile, then they will do whatever they like, and they may get addicted to gambling through mobile, and they may be addicted to some bad sites. And moreover, this addiction to mobile will lead them to will cause sedentary habit that will lead to obesity, and these problems will arise. So we have to use the good aspects of mobile and TV. We have to avoid free handling of the TV.
My third question is, do you guess that children are being affected with mental or physical problems or both? What are these problems? Please share your views.
Feeling bit agitated, depressed. Actually, we adults sometimes discuss about the bad effects of COVID in front of them. TV channels, like news channels, always declares so many people has died, so many people are affected, this and this. We should restrain our children from these news channels. That's why, and on the other hand, we should tell them, it is a disease, it is a bad disease, but you children are protected, you are staying at home, that's why you are protected, and if you maintain the good habits, the virus will not attack you, and if you take healthy food, if you maintain healthy habits, if you do exercise, then you will be able to avoid this disease. You will not be affected very much. It will be a mild disease. Just encourage them. Don't depress them with depressing news.
Can you suggest some physical activities inside home?
Just make every activity, enjoy them. Such as you play some music and make your child and you and his parents to make dance. Just take them to the roof and play some badminton like thing. If you have some ground or courtyard in your house, you go there and give some play with them. You can put a basket in the garden and throw the ball in there. That's why you can do physical activities. You make some ordinary drills and all this kind. Physical activity is very much needed to increase our immunity at this time. And as children are staying home, many times they are maintaining sedentary habits. They are not doing outside physical activities. That's why there is a tendency of obesity and bad habits, eating small biscuit, snacks all the time. We should prevent all this.
Ma'am, do you think that children are going to be more coward due to this COVID-19 lockdown and self-centered?
Actually, if we always discuss about the serious aspects of COVID in front of them, again I am telling that this much of people has affected, this much of people has died, then they will be afraid, they will be timid, and as they are not going outside, they will be much withdrawn and self-centered. To avoid all these things, we must not discuss all these things in front of them. On the other hand, we must tell them some encouraging stories. We must tell them about the doctors, nurses, the cleaning staffs who are fighting the disease, and always tell them that we must overcome. World has faced this kind of pandemic before also, and mankind has survived, and mankind has defeated the problem, and must defeat. We must be winner at the end. These encouraging stories, this positive thinking, this kind of activities will keep them.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining with us. Thank you, ma'am, for joining with us.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel News Moment English and press the bell icon for future